So can you guess today what are we going to make? We are going to make, can you guess? Chalo, it's okay. So we will be going to make today a gluten-free pizza, and for that we will be preparing a sauce. We will not be using the outside sauce which we get it, the pizza sauce. We can of course use that sauce, but since it is a gluten-free and since it is for celiac people, so it's better to make everything at home, and that's very quick and easy recipe, and definitely this will give you the better taste than outside one. So let's start with the sauce. So here I'm going to share the ingredients for sauce, and first of all we would be requiring the Amul butter, in which we will be going to saute onion and garlic. So here I have taken 4-5 cloves of garlic which I have chopped fine, and one small onion I have taken, this is also fine chopped, and tomato puree I have taken, so in which I have added one green chili as well, and salt and pepper of course we need it, and another is oregano. I'm going to add it out here, and here I have Amul diced cheese, which is of course not required for the sauce, but it would be required while baking the pizza. So here I've taken a small brick of Amul butter, and I'm gonna use half of it. I'm adding into the pan. Now I'm adding garlic into this, and we'll just saute it for 10 seconds. We don't need to make it brown, we just need to have the aroma of it, so that the garlic flavor should come in a sauce as well. And now I'll be adding onions. Onion also will be sauteed only for 10 seconds, not more than that. Now it is done, and now I'll be adding a tomato puree into this. Now I'll be adding 2 spoons of tomato ketchup into this, just to have a better flavor. Now I'm going to add oregano. Now we'll be adding pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and our sauce is almost ready. It is done now. You can see it is ready. See how quick and easy it is. So guys, our sauce has been ready now, and now we will go for the dough of pizza. So here I have already made a dough, which you can see. This is basically, I have used a gluten-free flour, gluten-free maida, I can say. I have used it out here to make a dough of it. And here how I have made this dough, I will just explain you. You can pen down. So you just need to have a 1 ball of gluten-free maida, and in which you can add 3 pinch of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, and 2 pinch of sugar also can be added into this, and then we will make the dough with the help of milk. Here I have used milk, you can use water as well, but I have used milk just to make a soft dough of it. So now what we are going to do, I have taken a foil paper over here. You can see, and now I'm going to put a butter on it, so that, and this I'm going to spread it out here. So now you can see that I'm spreading the dough on foil paper, and here I have put butter also, so that it should not stick to the foil paper, right? As you can see, I have flattened the dough on it, and I have just made few pores into this with the help of fork, so that it should not get more fluffy. So now I'm going to spread sauce onto this, which I have just prepared. We will spread it like this, and on the edges also we will be putting. Since I'm making this into air fryer, so air fryer is very small, and my fryer is preheated at 180 degree. So now I'm keeping this pizza base first into the air fryer. I'll be adding the cheese later onto this, so that it should not spread it out in the fryer basically. So now I'll be adding cheese onto this. So now I'm keeping my air fryer ready. I'm baking it for 10 minutes. So I hope now you guys have understood that how easy it is to prepare gluten-free stuff also. You know, people have created hype of it that we can't give food to our kids, we don't get pizza, we don't get this stuff. So everything is easy and everything can be cooked at home or baked at home. My pizza is ready, you can see. Now we will be doing the plating of it. So our pizza is ready. I'm adding the flakes into this, and now I will show you something amazing. You can see the cheese. See my cheesy margherita gluten-free pizza is ready, and I will have a bite of it, of course. I have a right to have it. To have the pizza. Now you can see a beautiful thin crust margherita pizza is ready now. Gluten-free margherita pizza. I repeat it out here. And thanks for watching this. I hope you guys will sure gonna try this recipe, and requesting you to subscribe my channel also. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.